go in a stage and you forget the words. Sometimes your personality doesn't work, like your hand movements doesn't work, है ना, your hand is shivering, your legs shivering, your all the body has lot of sweat. It happens, it's very natural. We all have fear, we all have a different fear. Right now I am speaking, so I do not have the fear of camera. I am talking to camera and address, they are listening to me. I can scared. If I have a fear, then I can scared. Different people are listening to me, like for example right now behind me uncle is there and other can come to listen me, and I might have the fear that somebody is gonna listen to me, so I will be more conscious that what I'm gonna speak, what he will think, what others will think. The real core thing I fail to speak. Whenever you are going to the stage, mostly time you fail. So never scared to fail. Fail yourself. But same time we have the psychology in our brain. When we fail, we get demotivated. Constant we get demotivated. But in our school, we learn the things. In a one time we cannot learn things. We revise. Continuously we revise. About study, we revise again and again. But in a practically when we are going to interview, we do not give more and more mock interviews. Neither a school conducted. This is the responsibility of school or college. Then they should, in a reality, person must speak, whether a boy or girl, he has to speak in public. So this should be included in the school activity, because it is very important. We have to speak somehow, whether we are an introvert kind of personality that we love to stay in a peaceful place and we do not like to talk many people, but we do not have an option. There is the only answer. You have to fail, and do not scared to fail. If you scared to fail and have a burden of failure, it's not a failure. First thing, it's just a learning. Take yourself as a learner. If you will take yourself learner, then you might not scared. When you visit again and again stage or a public or an interview or talking to different gender, many people have a scared of or fear of dance. Many people have a fear of singing a song. Several fears we have in our personality. It's not about doing first time anything. For example, cycling. When we cycling, first time we have a scared, but gradually what we learn, we have that skill. Even some people have that skill. They leave their hand and drive their cycle. Right now I'm having a sweat because of the humidity, or maybe I am just assume I'm having a fear. Doesn't mean that I do not have that potential. I can not improve my personality. I can improve my personality. Having sweat doesn't prove your personality. People might judge you, because in our society it's matter a lot that people judge you. Forget others. Only you matter for your own self. Work for your own personality. You think that people laugh, let them laugh. You do not have any option to stop others' mouth. You can't control others' mouth. You have only the option to work constant towards you. Then you might, these are the things help you a lot. When you have a fear of public or a stage interviews, without dance life will go best. Without singing a song, if you have a singing problem, don't sing, nobody will judge you. But if you have a problem of public fear, then you must suffer a lot. All the time you suffer. You must suffer if you have a problem of public. If you have a problem of stage, if you have a problem of opposite gender, as a girl, if you scared to boys or group of boys, as a boy, you have a fear of group of girls, fear a neutral girl fear, then you must stuck. You can't give your productive result. So what I suggest you, simply guys fail. Do as much as time you guys can do, because you are a beginner for particular thing. I do not know about editing, so if I will try, then I might stuck. So what should I do? What I can do, I have only option to try it again. Do it, do it, do it. We say fail, but that's the process. You do it, it doesn't give you result, and you say it's a fail. Let others judge your personality. You know your personality. Either you deserve, sometimes because of the nepotism, groupism, or favoritism, you do not get opportunity. So what I personally believe, everybody should try public speaking. And if you do not have people around you, those who help you in terms of public speaking stage, so join an institute and change your personality, because it is important. So thank you guys.